The Air Jordan 4 RM DMP reimagines a legendary look with lifestyle-forward appeal, arriving holiday 2025. A sleek black and gold palette sets the tone, with jet black suede uppers and smooth leather overlays delivering premium texture. The slimmed-down RM silhouette modernizes the traditional Air Jordan 4, catering to streetwear aesthetics while preserving the DNA of the original. Metallic gold accents light up the eyelets, heel clip, Jumpman branding, and the tongue's flight script, direct nods to the iconic defining moments pack that inspired this release. A crisp white midsole punctuates the design with contrast, enhancing its elevated feel. Nike Air branding at the heel maintains its retro connection, while the shoe's refined structure offers a fresh take on Jordan brand's legacy. Designed for those who appreciate both heritage and evolution, this drop fuses old-school energy with contemporary polish. Expect the Air Jordan 4 RM DMP to release through Nike.com and select Jordan retailers this holiday season.